So peeps, let's chew on the crusty juice now. Inside of the car. Let's see what catches some people. Yes peeps, as I see. Yeah man, juice in a people. Yeah man, look at that. So I'm gonna sample my own now. Right here. Yes, bro. Banging!
Banging people.
We can tell the world about this. We can tell the world.
Cheers, this represent King's Wicked people, isn't it?
Yes, no man.
Yeah, man. So just like, comment, share, and most definitely do
Subscribe. Remember I work, me I work. And a chicken, me a jerk. See that? One King's Wicked vlogs to the world. Don't fight
Cut it so.
Yeah, man. Morning world, morning world. Go on. Good afternoon, good night. You beautiful people all over the world. Yeah, man. Yes, truly who? King's Wicked vlogs out here. Yeah, man. So, this morning, me I make a little walk. Go up on the road and I decided that I could take you guys along with me. So, people, remember if you're new to the channel, you are up on here, me I come. Remember if you're new to the channel, oh gosh, remember to what? Give us that subscribe. Road to 20k guys. Yeah man. Big up fresh links every time. You know the thing go. Yeah man, big up CT Adventure. You know Courts people. Everything alright, big up. Enough love and blessings. Yeah people, if you never yet check out Vibes 39, oh my gosh, what you waiting on? Go over there, check out Vibes 39 guys. Support him in any ways you guys can, please and thank you. Yeah, blow like a land turkey. Cause beer hill me I go over right now. Beer hill. Yeah. But we have to do this people. You know say true we have to climb the hill. And I do the talking, I have a little tired, but that's the least when it come on to doing the content for you beautiful peeps. Yeah man, so stay tuned, watch what go on. So you know we're there in the community where most breadfruit, the people, beer breadfruit. Yeah? Yeah man, who know. Yeah? So stay tuned, we are trying to go up in the community. As you all know. Yeah. Just go and stay tuned and watch what go on. As I said, the only community this are coming on now, you see breadfruit pan tree. Like this. Whole lot. Yeah man, just go and stay tuned. Show know what go on. You get what me I say? Yeah man. Active out here. In the hills. Yeah man. Beauty is in the air guys. Yeah? Yes Father. Manners and respect, manners and respect. So people, stay tuned for that beautiful walk in the morning in the hills. Yeah, hills vibes guys, as you know. Yeah man, sky look beautiful, beautiful people. Yo, Jamaica nice, you know man. Jamaica sweet. You get what I say? Yeah man. Beautiful place people, beautiful. Beautiful, that's nature guys. You know, nature wise, beautiful. Yeah? Guys, remember, don't hesitate to give us that subscribe over here. You know? Yeah, man, give us that subscribe, guys. You know, road to 20K. I know we're out here putting in the work. You see me? Yeah, man, watch a lemon there, guys. Call it Bogo lemon. Look at that. We call that Bogo lemon. Yeah? So that's a lemon tree, guys. See that? That's a lemon tree, so. Yeah, man. A lot of parrot up here. You hear them down there, go there, so. Me see if I wanna kiff it. See if I could try. Set it, I don't know if I can try today. Set it now on a tree and see how great me is. Don't have a gum already, people, if you use. You know? Look how Jamaican nice it is. You know? Banana there. You can't plant banana right on the roadside there and thing. Yeah, sometimes the thief will trouble you about. You know? And you know they stay. Yeah, man, sometimes they can't leave what is not theirs. Yeah. We out here, people, showing a beautiful, beautiful community that we're living in, right? Just a go now, little quick walk through. You know, as you can see the house them, they're pretty much far. You know? Well, down which part me live is a little nice community there, so still. We're surrounded by people. Not much, but you know, the vibes are alright. We comfortable. And the community does quiet people. You know, you're going to some community and you hear like be nice. You know. I think my yard is nice, yes, yeah. Oh God, I'm just saying, peeps. You know, we have young kids and one thing, and you know, kids give a lot of talking. Yeah? Look at that. Where them place that bless people if I even want breadfruit in a tree. Let me say, if I even want breadfruit in a tree, people. That's how blessed this community is, you know? Yeah, man. So orange tree the people. Yeah. One so orange left on it. Drop off the whole of them drop off and knock up. And this is a nutmeg tree. Yeah, man. Nutmeg tree, guys, look at that. Nice. Yeah, man. Look at that. Nutmeg tree loaded up there, no peeps. See that? Loaded. It's a tree and I done there for this a year. To work enough and look like it all a blossom again. So just go and stick and stay, people. Watch how I go on. Look up another breadfruit tree there, be people. Blessed place. So blessed. Yeah. God bless the place so you know, people. We have to just give thanks and cherish it. Just cherish it. That tree they want to cut, people. JPS wire run through it. Cut. Yeah, man. So let's go and stay tuned, peeps, and watch how I go on. Yeah, I take on a tune in the morning. Yeah. You know? Showing a nice view of the community. Yeah. It's rich. You know, rich. That I can see. Every tree say me have a beer. Can you see that? Yeah, and every tree I say me have to beer. You know the thing go. Yeah, so stay tuned. Watch how go on, people. Yes, my people, still out here, man. Going through, you know the thing go. Yeah, man. Place just green and look nice. Beautiful people, beautiful. Yeah? So, guys, I'm asking you to go over and support Queen Orinthia's vlog. Yeah, man. Support the Queen people. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Enough blessings. Guys, you know, from the other day, I've been wondering and concerned about one of my subscribers, Elizabeth Jackson. I hope you're doing well out there, mommy. You know, bless up yourself. You know, we miss you a lot. Hope all is well. You know, say it's a hell and thing. You know, but hope all is well with you. You know, yeah, man. Enough love and blessings to you, Elizabeth Jackson. Yeah, man. Joan Johnson, big up yourself as well. You know, yeah. My beautiful people over here, big up yourself. Joan, big up yourself as well. This morning, guys, is all about a nature walk. You know, yeah, man. Walk and talk. So, guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy that one. Yeah, full enjoy that one. Guys, this is bean. Can you see it? This is a bean tree, guys. Right now, even bean is on it. You can see the bean. Yeah, man. Nice. So that is how we live here in Jamaica, man. We just try if you have a little thing them, you know, to keep you company as it. Yeah, man. So, people, they have to pick up a few pigeon today. You see me? Yeah. If you get a few pigeon to the people. But not sure if we're gonna pick them up today or what. You know? But I'm not gonna let you know out. If I go pick them up, I'll carry you guys along with me, you know. Yeah, man. The place is nice, people. Look at that. Nice. There's it. Look at this pear tree. Can you see that? Wow. Pear tree. Yeah, peeps, so now show you become more at the front view going. See? So let's go and stay tuned. Watch how I go on. That one I go nice, you know, people. That one I go sweet. People, remember I work, we are work, man. I'm not chicken, we are jerk. See? Yeah, so we're on the move, same way as you know. Early morning walk. Yes, people. Early morning walk. I think I want to give you guys a walk to Willowfield. Not sure when, because a lot of my beautiful subscribers are saying that I must go and interview that blind man. So hopefully, I don't know if we can do a walk, show you guys how far I have to walk to reach his destination. And I will just do that in a long content, reason with you guys like I'm doing right now. Yeah, and that is it, people. We're gonna get a nice and great content. You see it, so just go and stay tuned, guys. Me need you all to go and check out Nigel Yaman TV, guys. Please and thank you all. Go over there, support Nigel Yaman TV. Yes, people. If you never yet check out the great Christmas list, oh my God, what you all waiting on, people? You need to go over there, check out the great Christmas. So, people, yeah, man, still on the move. Look at that, guys. Cheese and peas. I wonder if I'm alone I see beauty at the place. Guys, look at this next nutmeg tree, guys. I mean, I tell you, it's like these nutmeg tree be right through the here, guys. Yo, me don't know if I agriculture or what, but definitely these trees be right through the here. Yeah? Yeah, man, so there are people that take time to travel on the road. Early morning walk, as you know the thing go. Yeah, man. out of love, you know, people. Rastafari. Yes, no man. So there are people that take time do the right thing. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Beautiful in the morning, yeah, guys. Hope you all can full enjoy this one. You know what I mean? Look at that. Nature in abundance, peeps. And the breeze is just cool. Remember when we just start off, guys, I was like, I'm sure I can manage this walk because, you know, I just stay blow hard because I just come out the hill with that energy there. You know, but yeah, you start the hill and, you know, you kind of feel different moving on the hill, you know. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. Watch what I go on. Yeah. Yeah, man. Hills vibes, you know, guys. Hills vibes. Yeah, man. Why if you would have said that one is nice? Yeah, people. Take time I go through. Yeah, so I say. Yeah, man. Look there, peeps. Nice settings up on the team. Yeah. So I head up this direction. Yeah. One eye fruits them there. Yeah. Yes, no man. Respect and thanks, bro. 1, 2, 3, 5. With this, I go down and share 5. Yeah. See that, people? Good old custard apple. Yeah, man, custard call it. Right now, make me feel like I should buy one dragon, you know, and a milk, and put this in some punch. You know what that all go on. That all go on, you know, people. Stay tuned. Watch how I go on. Start this with the punch of the day. You see it? Yeah, man, straighten up the back. You see that? Fire, man. Blaze in. Fireman like him gone on a mission, people. Yeah, so need a plastic bag or something to drop this, you know. So I need to half a keep now. Half a keep my way. Even tender and smooth. Yo! Oh dear people, you know how we do it already. Yeah, man, get a one fruits and a charge shoe, you know how the thing go. Yeah, man, I have to say, this community, oh, the community, bless, guys. Bless. Yeah. Bless, 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 bless. See that? Yeah. Daddy morning. Yeah, peeps over there. I go through a pass on the other end. Yeah, see me. Pass up on the Blickle Bridge, you know. Yeah, man. Police, you know, shoot it down, bro. Innocent, you know, peeps. But you know the thing, boss take time to recover still. Hope you have a speedy recovery, you know. Yeah, man. Know the thing, people. So we out here. I take you guys along. There's a bar on the hillside here. Yeah, man. So I take you guys along, show a little hour go on my hometown. Yeah, man. Beautiful community, you know. Lot of gungo tree, them beer off already and reap and plant them here. So they could get them for the Christmas, you know. Yeah, man. So we just stay and I go on one tree and I go through. You see me? Show me beautiful place. Beautiful community. You get to me, I say. Yeah, man. Just go and stay true with people. Them and watch you go on fire, man. Rastafari, Adi. Yes, that is it, man. That is it, man. Yeah. So there are people that go and chat through, you see it? Out here, see them, man. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. Fam. I go and school. Fully wicked. So peeps, just make a little quick link up. And we a circle through, see them we a show now. I go on. You know? Yeah, man, sometime I know everybody want them on camera and that's what I say. Yeah, man, big up my school people. Just buck up the dance, see them way too, you know? Yeah, man. Don't know the thing of people. Hope me have a speedy recovery, you know, from that gunshot wound. You see it? Yeah, man. So there people are going to take time, surface and show no little I go and see them way. Because you know the thing of people. Beauty is what you guys love to see, you know? Yeah, man, so just take the time out, show no little I go on. Little of this, little of that. You know the thing of people. As me say, it's a blessed little countryside. Yeah? Breadfruit, they are abundant people. Yeah, man, even upon this you have look at that. Tangerine. Yes, so it's a blessed community. Blessed place. Fully blessed. Yeah, see it. Yeah, man. So just go and stay tuned what you are going. You see me? Show now little how I go on. You see that? Yeah, man. So I could go on reason. Yeah, people say you know there the beautiful community, the beautiful hills. See them way. You know? Yeah, man. So as you know. Baby mama. Good morning. The people some just go and chat through. Show now little how I go and see me. Yeah, as I said before, little of this, little of that. Yeah, when we get all of one fruit. So stay tuned. Show now we are going to deal with that fruit there. And things see me. Yeah, man. I can go down one little hill. I think them someone church now. Some about down on the road there. Oh, yeah, you have to pass. Go ladder, go right down on the lane. People. So, it's just beauty, guys, just beauty. As you can see. One beauty, guys. That active out here without fear. Yeah, man. So, guys, as I said before, just go and stay tuned. Watch how I go and make go find some way to make a nice punch to the end of the day, you know. Yeah, man. So just go and stay tuned. Stay blessed. I want to go nice. Believe. So peeps, me I got the shop right now. Let's see if we can get a Guinness. Morning. So guys, me I see if we can get a Guinness. You don't have Guinness? You don't have a little plastic bag. I can put my fruit, you know. I want a Guinness. No, man, that's supposed to can hold it. Thanks. You know, no tin milk. Alright. Alright, people, just stay tuned. I tell you, I show you what I want to buy. So, yes, my YouTube families, guys, me get Guinness, I get that tin milk, and I get a few carrots, So what would I really want now? I would have loved to get a turn breadfruit. But that's really hard for me to get because nobody really have put on breadfruit for turn. Like that. So call I one there. No. But people, I think I want to stir up one little something food. So guys, remember, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to give us a subscribe. Over here. Yeah man. Do the right thing guys, give us a subscribe. Go to 20k as you know. Yeah, and next thing peeps, stick and stay. That's what the video just gonna be nice. Just gonna get so nice peeps. Yeah, so to be continued. Watch you go on. That is it. Yes peeps, so me promise send video look about some punch. However, still I got deal with it, the punch weight, but mostly juice. Cause the reason why we don't get the breadfruit guys. So I go chop up this. Yeah. And people me should tell them say a carrot and the custard apple. Yeah peeps, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour it out in this container, but we're gonna strain it inside. And every pig they want them also. Pig funny but you know, they know the carrot trash.
Then they like it.
Right, so get that to some people, sort out already. What I'm gonna do? Try to juice this. I'm gonna try juice the custard now people. Reason why I'm gonna put my blender through to the seed them. So I'm gonna juice it. A little tip of water, not much. Just a little tip. So I'm juicing the custard up now peeps. Get back ticking up people, you see what I go on? Very much thick peeps. So stay tuned. Watch the happenings people. So peeps, I'm gonna strain the custard juice now inside of the carrot. Cheese and peas. You see where I catch this wicked people?
Look like milk. Milk. Milk.
Milk, Papa, milk, Papa. Bowl milk.
Eat it. I can't eat
Drink it, I go drink it, Papi.
Tears. Milk.
Yes, no, he's back, so Kev can get the video properly. Yeah, people, so we are trying
Milk.
strain the custard inside of the carrot. Very much thick, people, even though I put water inside of it. Surely feed them down in the land, so you can go down and go catch. Then me knife let me cut this thing now. Sorry, they let me wash me hand. Yeah, peeps, so I'm doing something new. I'm doing something new, my people. Yeah. Something new. Guinness, people. The salt, people. Then this is some sunflower seed. Flaxseed, people. Get this coming. Yeah, man. I'll go and turn it. people. Alright, look when I check out. Nice. Nice peeps. Energy in the body, people. I think already. One King's Wicked vlogs, not two and not three, no people. One King's Wicked. One nutmeg in I man, oh people. Stay tuned, I put in the nutmeg in I man. A little rose and almond. So peeps, I do little rose and almond. Now no vanilla to the people, just in case you guys curious. And I go ask in the comment section. Nutmeg no people. Nutmeg. Well, this should have named nutmeg, you know, people. Nutmeg it name, yeah? We have this nutmeg over here, you know. Boy, me here's a ring. Here's a ring, people. Look at the nice beauty of it, peeps. Yeah, man. Well, if you got to taste it and make you know what is it. Yeah, man, stay tuned, watch you are going.
So yes, peeps, as I see.
Yeah, man, juice, you know, people. Yeah, man, look at that. So I'm going to sample my own, you know.
Peeps,
On your body. On a wicked, people.
I want to have to just calm the nerves, you know. I want to have to make baby. Put in back some I will let out, yeah. I want a sweet kid. Sweet kitty. Peeps, make sure please subscribe if you to the channel if you're new. Oh my god, hit the like button. Like up the video, peeps. Yeah, man. Peeps, catch you in our next content. Yeah, man. Out here without fear. Sweet kitty. Yeah, man, that is it.